Bud County.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hood County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles south of Lipan, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Old Trail Shores around 7:25 p.m., Granbury around 7:30 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter and stay away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning for north central Texas.